Understanding Artificial Intelligence. How AI is learning to think, and why it's everywhere. Have you ever wondered what's going on inside your phone when you ask Siri a question, or how Netflix knows exactly what show you'll want to binge next? The answer is artificial intelligence, AI. At its core, AI is simply the ability of a computer or machine to think and act in ways that used to require a human. It's not just about following a set of instructions, it's about learning, reasoning, and making decisions. So, how does it all work? Instead of being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario, AI systems learn by crunching huge amounts of data. Think of it like this. A traditional computer program is like a recipe with precise instructions. An AI system, on the other hand, is given a library of cookbooks and told to figure out the best way to cook a delicious meal. It learns by finding patterns and connections in the data, getting smarter and more accurate over time. This powerful, data-driven learning is what allows AI to do amazing things. The different flavors of AI. The field of AI is vast, but two of the most important concepts are machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning, ML, is a fundamental branch of AI where a computer learns from data without being explicitly told what to do. For example, you could show a machine learning algorithm thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. After seeing enough examples, it will eventually be able to identify whether a new, never-before-seen picture is a cat or a dog. Deep learning takes this a step further. It uses complex structures called neural networks, which are designed to mimic the human brain. This allows for even more sophisticated tasks, like understanding human language, natural language processing, and recognizing faces. The 4 steps of AI's thinking process. AI's ability to learn and make decisions can be broken down into 4 key steps. Data input. First, the AI system is fed a massive amount of data. This could be anything from written text and images to sensor readings from a self-driving car. This raw information is the foundation for everything that follows. Pattern recognition. Next, powerful algorithms analyze the data, looking for hidden patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human to find. This helps the AI build a clear understanding of the problem it's trying to solve. Learning and adaptation. The system then refines its knowledge. It constantly tests its own predictions against the actual outcomes and adjusts its approach. This iterative process is how an AI gets better at making decisions over time. Decision-making. Finally, using all its learned insights, the AI makes a choice or a prediction. This could be anything from recommending a product you might like to navigating a car through a busy intersection. AI in our everyday lives. Even if you don't realize it, AI is already a part of your daily routine. Your digital assistant like Siri or Alexa uses AI to understand your voice and respond to your commands. Netflix and Amazon use AI-powered recommendation engines to suggest movies or products you might enjoy based on your past behavior. Chatbots on websites use AI to answer your questions and provide customer support 24/7. Perhaps the most impressive example is the self-driving car, which uses AI to perceive its surroundings, detect pedestrians, and make split-second decisions to navigate safely. In short, AI is a technological revolution that's already here. It's enabling machines to not only work for us but to think, learn, and act intelligently alongside us. As this technology continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.